Pydantic AI agents can require human approval before executing certain tool calls, and the framework provides DeferredToolRequests and DeferredToolResults to manage the pause and resume lifecycle that this pattern demands. The visible code sets up an approval required toolset that filters which tools need approval, configures a test model to call specific tools, and declares output type equals SDR DeferredToolRequests. So the agent can return either a string or a deferred request object. The agent is constructed with the filtered toolset and run once to produce a DeferredToolRequests output containing pending approvals, which the code then passes back as message history alongside a DeferredToolResults object that maps each tool call ID to a Boolean approval decision. From Pydantic AI import agent, DeferredToolRequests, DeferredToolResults. From Pydantic AI models, test import test model. From PreparedToolSet, import PreparedToolSet. Approval required toolset equals prepared toolset. Approval required lambda CTX, tool def, tool args, tool def name, starts with temperature. Test model equals test model call tools equals temperature Celsius. Temperature Fahrenheit, #1. Agent equals agent. Test model. Toolsets equals approval required toolset. Output type equals SDR, DeferredToolRequests. Result equals agent. Run sync call the temperature tools. Messages equals result all messages. Print result, output. DeferredToolRequests. Calls equals. Approvals equals. Tool call part. Tool name equals temperature Celsius. Args equals city. Tool call ID equals PID AI tool call ID temperature Celsius. Tool call part. Tool name equals temperature Fahrenheit. Args equals city. Tool call ID equals PID AI tool call ID temperature Fahrenheit. Metadata equals. Result equals agent, run sync. Message history equals messages. Deferred tool results equals deferred tool results. Approvals equals. PID AI tool call ID temperature Celsius, true. PID AI tool call ID temperature Fahrenheit, false. Print result, output. Temperature Celsius, 21.0, temperature Fahrenheit. The tool call was denied. The code chains 2 agent runs to demonstrate approval-based tool execution. A prepared toolset is wrapped with approval required, filtering tools whose names start with temperature. The agent is configured with output type, including DeferredToolRequests, so the first run stops with pending approvals rather than executing tools. The first run produces a DeferredToolRequests object containing tool call part entries for each temperature tool, each with a tool callid. The second run passes the message history and DeferredToolResults with explicit approval decisions mapped by tool callid. Approved tools get their real results. Denied tools get a rejection message. The output type on the agent lets it return either a string or the deferred state, and DeferredToolResults maps call IDs to results or denial strings. This pattern gives you human-in-the-loop control over which tools execute, trading off latency for safety on sensitive operations. Let's break it down. From Pydantic AI import agent, DeferredToolRequests, DeferredToolResults. From Pydantic AI models, test import test model. Imports agent, DeferredToolRequests, DeferredToolResults from Pydantic AI and test model from the test model subpackage for agent construction and tool handling. Agent equals agent. Test model creates an agent variable by instantiating agent with test model as the model parameter. Result equals agent. Run sync call the temperature tools. Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the instruction to call temperature tools and stores the resulting run result in the variable result. Messages equals result all messages. Calls all messages on result to retrieve all messages from the run, including prior runs, and stores them in messages. Print result output. Prints the output field from the result object to the console. DeferredToolRequests. Instantiates DeferredToolRequests with no visible parameters. Result equals agent, run sync. Message history equals messages. Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the provided message history and stores the result. Print result output. Temperature Celsius, 21:0 temperature Fahrenheit. The tool call was denied. Prints the output from an agent run, displaying a JSON object with a Celsius temperature value of 21 and a Fahrenheit field containing the string. The tool call was denied. The pause and resume pattern hinges on two runs chained through message history. The first run stops at DeferredToolRequests, freezing the agent with pending tool call part entries, each carrying a tool called. That output becomes the bridge to the second run, where DeferredToolResults maps those call IDs to approval decisions. The approval required filter determines which tools hit the pause point, and output type equals SDR, DeferredToolRequests, is what lets the agent surface that deferred state instead of a final string. Denied tools surface as rejection messages, while approved ones return real results. The trade-off is simple: latency for safety on operations you want human eyes on.
One output holds both the denied temperature Fahrenheit and the approved Celsius in one tangled answer together